y'all, welcome back to my channel. So it's kind of mid-afternoon right now. I wanted to make something to eat, so I was like, let me show y'all what I'm about to eat. I'm about to make some yam and stew, and this is literally one of my favorite dishes. Like, I make it all the time. It's so good. But yam, when I say yam, I'm making yam. So I'm about to make yam, and I'm actually gonna make some salmon stew with it. So it's real simple. Once I blend the pepper and it bubbles up, I add this to it, and it's just good. It's flavorful, it's tasty, it's so good. So I'm about to get started on this, but as far as today, I've literally just been trying to, yesterday I was spending time doing product labels, and today I was spending time working on like the thank you / business cards that will go out, designing them and just trying to get them right, so then when I'm ready to print, it's good to go. Baby girl is sleeping right now actually, so I ran downstairs to come cook some food and just try to vlog a little bit today. But yeah, so I'm realizing that I'm just trying to like get stuff in the midst of also caring for her and feeding her every couple of hours. Like, I literally was like, she ate and then I could tell she was about to take a nap, so I was just holding her and working at the same time. But I gotta do what I gotta do. Like, it just is what it is. So yeah, I'm about to show y'all what I'm cooking, and then after this I want to just go work on some more stuff as far as like more cards, and then maybe I'll probably do some inventory today too. I'll see. But yeah, look at this. Okay, y'all, this is the finished product. So tell me how it looks. What do y'all think? If y'all have ever tried this, or I got any of my Yoruba people who eat this all the time, like, let me know in the comments below, because I literally love this. I don't get tired of it. I like my yams a little soft, so it's like, it just, you know, it breaks with the fork. And the stew is basically just a starch and stew. So good. I was going to put this it's called Yoruba Spice. I don't know if any of you guys have used this or tried this before, but I was about to put it to this stew and then I didn't because I forgot. But basically it is a combination of onion powder. Hold on, it's not in focus. Okay, onion powder, thyme, rosemary leaves, garlic, turmeric, sea salt, parsley, basil, chives, parsley, black pepper, cumin, ginger, celery, coriander seeds, scotch bonnet, and locust beans. When I saw locust beans, I was like, wow, they put iru in this? They put iru in this? So I think this would be really good in like efo or egusi or something like that. I haven't used it, y'all, so I've never tried it. It's been used, but I haven't tried it. But yeah, I think I was going to use it in this. I didn't. I'm so used to just putting simple salt, Maggi, cayenne pepper. Like, I do that, and to me it works. So I might give this a go in another dish, but I'm about to eat. Y'all, this is literally so good. It's so good. Like, I wasn't even trying. I had to come back on here and tell y'all because I wasn't even trying. I was trying to make something quick so I could eat and get going, get moving. But that's how you know you can cook. When you're not even trying, just whipping up something real quick. And it's good, it's good. Okay, hey y'all, I'm back. So right now, I really need to get this studio inventory area together. I'm going to show you how it looks right now. It's literally a mess. So I want to get it together. That way I can be able to see what I already have in stock, as far as like supplies, paper, all that stuff. And then I can also know what I need to purchase in my upcoming like inventory orders. So I'm going to show you all how it looks, and then you all will just see us doing it and putting it together. Let me show you all, baby girl. She's right here. You right here, mommy. So she's chilling, and I'm just gonna work while she chills. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look of the shelving unit. Basically, I tried my best to organize everything as far as like carrier oils, butters, supplies, all of that. So just a quick breakdown. For the bottom row, I have like carrier oils, butters. Then when you come up here, I have essential oils, more carrier oils back there. I have like cosmetic making ingredients. I have a lot of herbs and powders in this section. Then on this space, actually this looks very messy. I need to get this together, but I'm just trying to work with what I have right now. So this place is obviously for supplies as far as making the products. And quick note, like for all my entrepreneurs out there, a lot of times I would go to thrift stores or discount stores and try to find supplies, and a lot of times like you'll find really good stuff either fairly used and just clean and sanitize it, and you can use it for your business. So that's just a quick plug for y'all. I have my scale, my stick blender. This area is really meant for packaging items. Just a few packaging items that I have like shrink wrap, bubble wrap, and some, what do you call those things, like packaging things already. Then I have some cardstock. This is an old square reader, so I won't be using this, but that is like packaging area. Then on top I have some what do you call this, like plastic jars, plastic tins, bottles. I also got these from the thrift store a while back. Those are just like baskets. I was thinking like when you do when you go out and when you're a vendor and you want to sell in person, this would be like some good things for your products to put them in and like do all that. But obviously because of COVID, there's very limited in-person events. So anyway, I'll probably use that for something else. So this is what I got right now. I did clear off that table. That table was a mess, so I cleared it off, and I will be experimenting in this area. I definitely need more units. Like I need more organizing units, more shelves, more stuff, but I'm just gonna work with what I have right now. Not gonna lie, y'all, I'm feeling good because when you get stuff organized and put together, it feels good. So finally done with that part. I'm gonna end the vlog right here, and I'll see you all in the next one.